Okay guys, welcome. We're gonna do another ad hack. We're gonna decode a pretty complicated one, I think, and I know you guys are gonna like it because it's colorful and tries to do a lot, which is, I think, one of the things we all struggle with. We're always trying to get our ad to do as much as possible for the space that we have. So let's unpack it. Stick with me right after this. Okay guys, like I said, on this one, we're gonna take a look at this thing. It's kind of a beast. We're gonna take it piece by piece. Let's take a look together here. Okay, so we always let it sink in here for a second. And there's a few things I like about this one, but let's start with just the elephant in the room, the word free. We know the word free is one of the highest performing advertising words. It has been for the better part of the last 60 years. And the stacking here is awesome. So just forget about it. Don't even read it for a second, okay? Like, here's the deal. We're running the top existing customers, so that's a screening statement, right? So if you're not a customer, don't look at this ad. If you are a customer, this is how we treat our customers. We give them free stuff, okay? But look at the structural tapering. The text is taking us right down to the learn more call to action, right? So remember, when we've talked about this before on our ads, right? Free, high performing, proven advertising word, learn more. One of the highest, if not highest performing call to actions. So we have these two stacked. This text in the middle is just basically bringing our eye down to the call to action. Now we can read it. Free line of unlimited intro for 1 year when you buy one unlimited line. I don't even know what unlimited intro really means. Free line of unlimited intro for 1 year when you buy one unlimited line. That all seems a little confusing to me, but if you're an existing customer, these things probably mean something to you. I'm not sure what unlimited intro is. Maybe that's like a way to get started with an account. But clearly, if we want to know more, they've given us the call to action for that. Other stuff that's going on right here, just color treatment is great. It's obviously on brand. This is their color brand. Did a nice little light swoosh effect here. I love the two phones because this whole offers to try to get a second line, right? So they're kind of giving you that, hey, if you got one, you can have another. And then somebody in the art department did a clever little job with the Xfinity symbol, cutting across the two phones, kind of tying that together. Their brand name, of course, Xfinity Mobile. They got little fun stuff on the text there, like it looks like signal bars around the O, kind of radiating, just little extras all over this one. I do think that this is a clever artistic layout, so whomever banged that together, I think gets a gold star. But the copywriting is excellent on this one, just leveraging those two high-performing AdWords, doing a little stacking here. I think this section got a little confusing in my view, but like I say, if you are an existing customer, because we have this screening statement up top, this probably resonates with you. This was a long-form ad, like almost like a double stack on a special type of ad server that allows a parallax scroll inside content online. So this is running on a special ad server. So minimum buys on this are a little high for small business owners, but the layout, we can still learn a lot on this. And what I really want you, all of us, to focus on here is to understand the power of free, the power of learn more, the shaping of the text to control visual focus to the call to action, and this idea that there's two phones now, not one, and that you can expand your account apparently for free, right? A lot of takeaways on this one. So again, the clever artwork and this whole layout and stacking was just done really, really well. I think the other thing that we haven't seen on a few, going back here, just doing these, is this ad is a screening ad, right? It's only for existing customers. So that's something that tactically we don't pay attention to a lot, but these guys used it and they're leveraging this ad. They're wanting to talk to a certain segment of their potential customers, which is their existing customers, right? Because they obviously can do an ad to acquire new customers. That's a different ad. This one is for existing customers. Now, I saw this ad. I was not shopping this and I'm not an existing customer. So some of the targeting on this one is a little tricky. That's another thing to watch when you're gonna screen or you wanna go for a subsegment of your audience data, is to make sure that you're targeting spot on, because they spent on this to show it to me and I'm not an existing customer. So there's a little bit of slop in the targeting on that. And I would call that out. If you're gonna do a screening ad, make sure that your targeting is in alignment with the screen so you're not overspending, right? Which is what happened here. So All good stuff. We'll see you on the next one. If you guys learned something here, smash the like button, go ahead and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one where we just decode more advertising, and I know you're gonna learn something.